Welcome to the TeraBox Cloud Storage Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. TeraBox is a cloud storage solution designed to offer massive storage capacity at no cost, making it an attractive option for personal users looking to store large volumes of photos, videos, and files. With 1 terabyte of free storage provided upon signing up, TeraBox distinguishes itself from competitors by delivering unmatched value for those seeking a budget-friendly way to back up their data. TeraBox's standout feature is its free 1 terabyte plan, which is perfect for users with significant storage needs but limited budgets. The app supports automatic photo and video backup from mobile devices, ensuring your precious memories are safe without manual uploads. The service also allows for file sharing through links, making it convenient for users who need to transfer large files quickly. For premium users, TeraBox offers additional features like faster upload and download speeds, expanded storage of up to 2 terabytes, and advanced file management options such as folder locking for added security. On the performance side, TeraBox's user interface is clean and easy to navigate, with apps available for Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS. It's ideal for users who want simplicity without sacrificing functionality. However, its speed for free-tier users can be somewhat limited, as priority bandwidth is reserved for premium subscribers. For security, TeraBox encrypts your files during storage and transfer, although it doesn't offer zero-knowledge encryption, so you may need to consider additional encryption tools for sensitive data. TeraBox is best suited for personal users, particularly those who want generous free storage for multimedia files or casual backups. It's less tailored for businesses or teams, as it lacks collaborative tools and integrations with productivity platforms. However, for individuals seeking a hassle-free, affordable way to store massive amounts of data, TeraBox delivers excellent value. In summary, TeraBox is an excellent choice for users who need large-scale, affordable cloud storage with minimal setup requirements. Check the links in the description to explore TeraBox and see if it meets your storage needs.